How to add a photo on a video using Capcut. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily add a picture or any kind of photo on a video using the Capcut app. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get into it. First thing first, you want to open up your Capcut application and make sure that you are logged into your account. From here, you just want to tap on create a new project and select the video that you want to add. So here is a short video that I want to add, which I'm going to add right here. And once you import your video, what you want to do is go ahead and tap on the overlay tab. From here, tap on add overlay and select the picture that you want to add on the video. So here is a picture that I would like to add on the video, which I'm going to do right here. And once you get to the video, you can adjust its size, select where you want to show it. So I'm just going to make it a bit smaller and put it right here on top of my video, like so. Or I might even make it a little bit bigger. So once you do this, you can adjust the size of the length of your overlay and align it with the length of your video. Once you do that, you can also choose animation on how the overlay will come up on your video. Once you select your desired animation, you can just export the video, and that's pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful. I will see you guys on the next one.